Barbers, TPOB done went and blacked out the Go Trimmer. And this ain't just another TPOB drop. This is the first Go Trimmer. So you already know, barbers are about to judge this one quick. This is the Go Blackout Trimmer, straight out of the box, featuring the GAPPED trimmer blade. So now the real question is, does it hit like it looks? The first thing you notice is the look. All black body, green accents, slim design, and that TPOB attitude all over. This trimmer is built with velocity grips, or should I say, the bulletproof vest. Because this thing looks like it came straight out of a 50 Cent video, ready to survive the whole shop. Slim body, strong grip, clean feel. It looks like it was made for detailing, lining, and getting into those tight areas where your trimmer either shows up or gets exposed. Now let's talk about what's on the box. You're getting 8,000 RPM digital motor, built for consistent power and smooth cutting speed. That means this trimmer should be ready for outlining, detailing, necklines, beard work, and those crispy enhancements barbers love to post in slow motion. But the main feature here is the gap blade system. TPOB says this blade is factory gap to deliver sharp lineups straight out of the box. It also comes with a 3.0 deep tooth cutting blade with graphene coating designed for cooler operation, better durability, and ultra sharp precision. And listen, anytime a trimmer says factory gap, barbers are going to test that immediately. Because we don't care what the box says, we care what that first lineup said. You also get USB-C charging, a lithium battery, and up to 4 hours of runtime. The LED ring keeps it simple. Green means fully charged. Red means low battery. Flashing red means stop playing and put it on the charger. And the charging dock has illuminated TPOB logo with red for charging and green when it's charged. That's a clean touch for the station. So first impression, the Go Blackout Trimmer looks good, feels barber focused, and the gap blade makes this one worth testing immediately. Now I need to put it on skin, hit a few lineups, test the corners, test the heat, test the power, and see if it really gives that TPOB bite. Because looking good is one thing, but in the barber shop, the blade gotta talk. And this one right here looks like it came to say something. This is David D. Sharp for TPOB Barber News. Let's put it to work.
I don't feel any of the sharpness, right? Because I've had a number of people cut my hair, T-lines and whatnot.
Yeah.
They'll adjust the blades and it's like, whoa,
extra sharp.
It's like, it feels like somebody's cutting it. No, it feels like it's just regular.
Yeah.
It feels soft. It doesn't feel as sharp as you probably see that it is. That's what it is. So yeah, I don't feel none of it. No pain, no worry. I'm almost curious why you're not applying more of the pressure. So, good to go.
Whoa.